What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Lake Charles Experience. Today is a super exciting episode. It is the Season 2 premiere of LCXP. I'm super excited. Today is going to be a really fun episode. We are here at Game2Life in Lake Charles, Louisiana, where it is a sports and entertainment complex that has everything from pickleball to lounging around and even a 2-story laser tag complex. I'm excited to check this out. Let's go check out my main man Judson and see what we got going on. Judson, what's up, dude?
What's up, brother?
Thanks for having us here today, man.
Bro.
I'm super excited.
Me too.
I was just telling everybody how awesome this place is, how you guys have everything from lounging around to 2-story laser tag, and I was hoping you could show us around.
Of course, brother. And we're working on our 3rd story, so. But let's go get into some pickleball, bro.
Let's do it, man. When did you guys open? How long has this been here?
So we built everything out and we're ready for receiving customers October of 2019. Out here, watch your eyes, is definitely bright. On the pickleball courts though, it's nice, you know, we've got it shaded, we've got the woods here. Right now we've got the 4 pickleball courts. They're all oversized, you know, that way you can have extra people out here hanging out. Got the turf area.
Oh, it already feels cooler right here.
Yeah, and this doubles as our event space. So anytime we do concerts or anything like that, we'll do it out here.
Ooh, coming.
But yeah, so really and truly, this whole space has just been used for different events. We do skate nights, we do like some farmers markets and stuff like that. Awesome. Really just try to utilize the space for, you know, what it is.
Anything and everything.
Yeah.
So about how often do you do these events over here?
Well, it just really depends. I mean, I'm trying to do something at least every quarter, you know, but smaller events like skate nights and stuff like that, you know, we'll try to pump those out. I'd say once every 3 or 4 months, you know? Try to keep it quarterly.
That's all cool, man. So you said about 2019, after all those hurdles from you know what, did you find that the community was a major factor in helping you get back, or was it more of a push to have them realize what you have going on?
Well, so I didn't have the pickleball courts at that time. All I had was the axe throwing and the laser tag, and we really just doubled down on trying to give people the best experience possible. That way they would talk and tell their friends.
Absolutely.
We did see, you know, a little bit of a halt to, you know, the momentum we had, because I mean, to be honest, man, it changes the way of the world, man.
100%.
Like, people for a few years just, you know, it was a different time, but everything's back in full swing. I mean, obviously it paid off enough the people came out and supported. The community spoke, said we need a pickleball place. So we built the courts. We were some of the first people to have them. And yeah, man, just continuing to operate and think outside the box is really what I think has brought us success. And then also listening to our customers. Man.
Yes.
That's been the biggest thing, is they say, hey, we want this, or hey, we need this. This also converts into a wiffle ball field or a kickball field, so we just roll out turf and you know, get after it. So
that's so this whole thing can be a kickball field too?
Yeah, the whole thing can be a kickball, baseball field, literally whatever. We have all the turf sitting back there. But yeah, then we can go look at some of the patio games.
Yeah,
as
please,
well.
man. Yeah. So I've never played pickleball. I'm gonna need you to show me the basics of this.
Oh yeah, we definitely will.
So this might get me in trouble online, but my understanding is this is just a little bit scaled down version of tennis. Is that correct?
I mean, you're not wrong.
Okay.
The ball flies a little bit slower.
It's the wiffle ball, right?
Yeah, it's a wiffle ball, so it kind of catches the air. It's definitely still a very active sport, but yeah, you're right. It's just a smaller, more controlled. It's something that almost everybody can do.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, the court's not that big. I mean, it seems manageable. You can definitely have a good time.
For sure.
That's exciting.
Yeah, man.
So there's more over here. What can we expect on this end of the place?
Well, out here on our patio, we've started to kind of design somewhere where we can hang out, have a good time. We've got a stage here. Here in the future, we're gonna come out from this gate or from this fence a little bit. We'll have a little play area for the kids, and that's really why we invested in all this turf. That way the littles can come out and have a good time and be safe. We've got all this area. I'm just trying to pack as many games as I can. Right here, you know, we have our live music stage, so we'll have people come out here and play live music, set up inside here. We've got carpet ball right here. tetherball right here.
Oh, I love me some tetherball. There's been many bruises and hurt.
You want to try to shoot a bucket here?
I would love to shoot a bucket.
All right, so this is our bucket game, as well as this is snook ball. Also, we have some soccer balls that are made into pool balls, and you actually kick the balls in. But for the summertime, man, everybody's really love buckets.
Oh, so you just throw it.
Yeah, just throw it in there.
Take one.
Interesting. One more.
Okay.
Shoot it like a basketball. Get you a little.
I was never good at basketball.
That's okay. Oh! All right, one more for the camera, dude.
One more for the camera.
You got to get this in. Look, he's going to get in position, and you're going to sink it.
Love this. I think I do want to shoot like a basketball, though.
Oh,
we'll try again later.
Yeah, man. And so we also have cornhole washers.
I like cornhole.
Yeah, cornhole is very popular. Big block Jenga out here as well. And for some of our larger events, we actually set up our mini bar outside here.
So that's what that is.
Yeah, so that's a whole bar that just pops out. And then inside here, you know, we have our swing set.
This is the spot right here.
Everybody really enjoys the swings. You know, everybody kind of come out and hang out. So
that's awesome, man. It's definitely a vibe out here. Over here we have axe throwing.
Yeah, man, right here set up on the patio, we have axe throwing. It's just a lounge vibe, you know, everybody can come in, sit down, relax. When you tell people axe throwing, they're like, oh man, it's like, man, it's bowling but cooler, you know? But we'll step in here, we'll chunk an axe. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, we try to keep everything as shaded as possible.
Oh, no, I see the fans
as well as the fans. Yeah, usually we'll have them running, but with the mics, your production team said no fans. It's gonna, you know, mess with it.
They love to see me sweat on camera.
Yeah, and hey, we got a nice breeze, so it's working out for us.
I love it, man. Hey, I've done a great job out here. I know I keep coming back to it, but this is Louisiana. It's not as hot in here as it was when I left.
Sure.
Just because I love what you've done with it.
Thanks,
it's
bro.
nice, man.
Yeah, we constantly keep growing and evolving.
Yep,
so.
Love that. So there's more on the inside you can show us, right? Get out this heat a little bit.
There's a ton more, man.
Let's check that out.
All right, let's do it. All right, bro. Hey, let's get into the barracks and get you geared up,
Love
man.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
Thanks, bro. Look, inside here, this is where you're gonna find all of your gear. So we'll get you set up. We've got a nice Cerakoted gun for you today.
So is there any special one that works better than all the others, or?
You know, if you ask the regulars, they'll tell you that, but it's not the truth. We actually sight everything in, I would say, weekly. You can go ahead and get your buckles around the side there. So we have the vest, we have the headshot sensor, and then we have the rifle. So yep, that'll go right over your head.
Oh, I feel like Rambo.
All right, so here's your rifle. So there's select fire switch on the side here. Right now you're fully automatic, single fire, and the good old safety. So we'll put you on full auto to get you started. Right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
All right, right arm through.
Oh, right arm through.
Yep, and here. Just flag myself with the GAT, no big deal.
Perfect.
Real optics on these things as well, so you'll be able to look down, see your red dot.
That's awesome.
Yep, and then to reload, for the easy reload, you're just gonna go here. For the tactical reload, you actually have to drop the MAGA hair, slap it back in, and charge.
I'm feeling like my Call of Duty days are in real life right now, and this is amazing.
Man. It's the ultimate first-person shooter. All the stats are tracked. You're gonna know exactly how many rounds you fire out of this thing, what your accuracy is, who you eliminated the most, who eliminated you the most, and then there's a global leaderboard. So we have a Game2Life leaderboard, obviously, but there's a global leaderboard. So you can not only see how you shoot inside here in our field, but you can see how you stack up against people all over the world.
Well, you see, now I'm gonna have to come back again and again and get my numbers up because I like to compete, man.
Hey, if you like to chase the leaderboard, man, you definitely can. But let's get you in here, dude, and get you shooting.
After you, man. Go ahead.
Let's get it.
Well, I guess I'll be your defender, your bodyguard.
Yeah. This changes every week, so you'll never actually come inside with the course being set up the same. Now, the bases will stay relatively the same unless I get a wild hair and decide to knock out some walls or, you know, uncover some windows and stuff. This is where you'll have actually your leaderboard. This is where you come to respawn, upstairs, downstairs, all in around. It's pretty much a maze for folks that haven't really come here, but to our normal players, they fully understand.
They've learned everything.
How to navigate, how to get around. So
you pretty much designed it with the ability to, like you said, open those windows and doors up and block those off.
Oh, 100%. And so inside here, like this whole corner is our gym corner. So we also have a gym through the week. I mean,
that's awesome.
So
you really do a little bit of everything in the athletic and activities division.
Of course, man. That's the biggest thing is keeping people moving and then enticing them to move with fun things like this.
I'm about to have so much fun with this.
Heck yeah, man.
So do you have anything water related?
Yeah, so we actually have Lucky Lagoon that'll be starting up hopefully this season. It's just right directly behind the property, and yeah, it's basically a summer hangout spot. Can't give you too much detail just yet.
Oh, that's gonna be super cool. So keep an eye out for that. Is what you're saying?
Yeah, for sure. Keep an eye out for that. And then we do have kind of a hidden gem. I know you're probably hearing it go off right now, but we do have a golf sim, and it's literally the best golf simulator in the world.
I'm excited to see that.
It's right through here if you want to go check it out.
That's awesome. I'm gonna hit this gear off real quick, but I'll meet you in there in just a second.
No worries, man. Make sure that GAT's on safety now.
Oh, I got you, man. Safety
Don't
first.
Hurt anybody with a laser beam.
All right. So you said golf sim, right?
Yeah, this is a full swing golf sim. It's called a 2Vision NX. It's brought to us by GolfZon. It's won Golf Simulator of the Year since like 2017. And in here, you know, it's members only. Full lounge, you know, inside here. You got your golf sim. We have a little hangout area with the TV.
Also a little chipping spot too.
Oh yeah, we got Chippo, we got bucket golf right here, because all of my members, you know, they want to bring kids and stuff like that to hang out. So we encourage it, man. We're family friendly, and we like to keep it a nice vibe, and that's
I think you're doing a great job doing that. Walking around, you feel the energy, you feel the vibes. I'm ready to get started and go play some games. How about you?
Dude, let's get after it.
Let's do that. My shoes? No, I'm not giving you my shoes. That's why I wore them. It's bad for continuity. It's my show, Bailey. Woo! Ah. Woo! Let's go play something else.
Oh, we're doing it from this way?
Oh, God.
You want to point it where you want it, put it straight back all at once, and then straight over. All at once.
My dog, it was all you, bro.
The expert.
Hey.
It's me.
This looks like a horror movie right now.
I'm so scared.
Man, Judson, thank you so much for having us today. Everything's been a blast. I know everyone here had a great time. I had a great time. Please just take a few minutes to tell us about you, about what you got going on here, and what we can look forward to from Game2Life here in the future.
Sure, man. Thank you for coming and bringing everybody out, man, and playing some games with us. It's our ultimate goal here to provide something that the community has never really seen before. Rather it's bringing out new events from the micro mini wrestling, which is now the city has picked up on, and they're putting them in the event center.
I've seen so much about that the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, and honestly, I'm just trying to break the mold. You know, I really wanted to put something forward that would stop people from saying, well, there's nothing to do in Lake Charles.
Yes.
That was my biggest pet peeve. There's plenty of things to do here. I encourage people to go out and visit all of our other, you know, partners in business, other, you know, business owners in this area, because as I've started this thing and as I've started to create more and do more, it's inspiring others, and others are popping up places left and right for entertainment. So as much as I can spearhead this, as much as I can continue the path moving forward of things getting done in Lake Charles. I'm a big advocate for it. I sit on Ward 3 Recreation Board as well.
I didn't know that. That's awesome.
Yeah, so I'm trying to bring everything into the community as far as free places to play. Just getting out and getting involved in the community has been my biggest goal, and then also just getting people active and getting excited about
I
doing
worked up a
things
sweat
active.
doing the laser tag earlier, so you're doing a good job here.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yes.
And we have memberships for the laser tag. We have memberships for the pickleball. We have the memberships for our golf sim as well.
Okay, so explain that to me real quick. How does that work? Just a quick rundown.
So the memberships for Game2Life is so that you don't actually pay per session when you come in. You'll pay us monthly, and you get discounts on your sessions as well as free games off the rip whenever you sign up with us. The golf is a monthly fee as well. You can bring 4 people for buddy passes every month.
Neat.
We have corporate sponsorships as well. You can bring in your business and do events quarterly through the year. So there's a lot of options. I always just tell people reach out to us, and we can kind of give that information as we see fit.
Make it work where people need it to work.
Man, look, being that I'm not a franchise, being that I created this thing all on my own, I love working with people, and it's like, hey, if you think that you've got, X amount of people you want to come show, have a good time, and you say, I don't want to break the bank on it, trust me when I tell you, we can make it happen.
That's awesome, man. So it sounds like you're very involved and passionate about the community. Not only are you doing this, you mentioned the Ward 3 board, and you're doing all these other projects here and there, but it all seems to be centered around the community.
100%.
How much has that been on the importance of your growth and just the things you're able to do to give back to that community that's helped you grow?
It's everything, man. I give my heart to the city of Lake Charles because they've given me so much. I live for this stuff, man. And I saw the world essentially before I embarked on this, being in the oil field. I traveled all over the world, and every time I would come home, I'd hear the same thing, there's nothing to do. And I was experiencing these things all over the world. I was like, man, I would just love to bring something to the city and
Bring
give
these
back.
cool experiences back home.
Absolutely, man. And then Game2Life was formed. So.
Man, I think, like I said, I think you're doing a great job. We always have a fun time when we pop in here. And again, I think it is something cool for the Lake Charles area. There is stuff to do here, so it's super awesome that you were also involved in showing off what our awesome city has. So, again, I think you're doing a great job, and I really appreciate you having us.
Dude, thank you, man. The Lake Charles experience is spotlighting a lot of places, and you're doing well for our community as well. So thank you.
Much appreciated, man. Thank you as always. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, man.
Come check out Game2Life if you're ever in the Lake Charles area. It is definitely an experience, and I highly recommend it. Stay tuned for the next episode where we see more things going on in our amazing city. I'm Tyler. This is Judson. Thank you so much for watching, and this has been LCXP.
Peace and love.